Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Hope you're having a great day. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. Now, to make the best chocolate chip cookies, I'm going to start by melting my butter. Okay, I'm going to start by placing a pan on a stove top. Then I'm going to add in 120 grams of salted butter into the pan. I'm going to just allow this to melt on very low heat. You can just easily pop this into your microwave and melt gently. Once your butter has melted, turn off the heat and leave it to cool down completely. After melting the butter, I'm going to add in a third cup of white sugar into a bowl and a quarter cup of brown sugar. I've shown how to make brown sugar at home. The link is going to appear on the screen right now. You can check it out how it's made at home. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is going to help improve the taste of the cookies. Next, I'm going to add in the melted butter. Next, I'm going to whisk everything to combine. I'm going to go in with one large egg. In a separate bowl, I'm going to sieve in 1 cup of all-purpose flour into the bowl. Then add in just a little bit of salt. I use salted butter, so I don't need much salt. And I'm also going to add in 1/3 spoon of baking soda. Just whisk everything to combine. I'm going to add in the flour just a little at a time, then whisk. Once your dough appears crumbly like this, stop whisking. Next, I'm going to go in with my chocolate chips, and I'm also going to be using some dark brown chocolate. I'm just going to use a spatula to fold this into the dough. Once it's neatly combined like this, I'm going to stop. Next, I'm going to scoop my dough. You don't need a special tool to scoop this. You can just use your hand. So I'm just going to line it on the baking sheets. Once you're done, you should have something like this. Next, I'm going to place this in the fridge for about an hour, and it's going to improve the flavor. You can keep this as long as you want, for close to 4 hours or 5 hours in the fridge if you love it that way. The cookies have stayed in the fridge for an hour. The more it stays in the fridge, the harder it becomes. So this is a little bit firm. Next, I'm going to transfer this to my baking tray. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then you pop this into the oven and bake for 14 minutes and it will be done. So guys, your chocolate chip cookies are ready. When you notice the brown edges and you feel the crispiness, just like so, it's ready. You can allow your chocolate chip cookies to dry on a drying rack. It's soft and chewy on the inside and it's crispy on the outside. It has a perfect taste and flavor. This was how to make the best chocolate chip cookies. I hope you love this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell button so you'll be the first to know when a new video is uploaded. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.